everyone, my name is Elisha and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be unboxing some of my gifts from my bridal shower. Super excited to share these items with you guys. I created my registry about a couple months ago and I had my bridal shower this past weekend in Chicago and that was really fun. I do live in San Francisco, so I had most of my guests ship the gifts to me and most of them have arrived, so I figured we'd unbox them today. I know it's been a while since I've shared on here, so I'm super excited to be back, and I'll definitely have some more home content for you guys once the wedding is done, so stay tuned for that. What do we have here? Ooh, super exciting. I've been wanting one of these for so long now because I'm always having issues opening wine bottles, and we love wine. We are collecting wine currently and we go to Napa quite frequently, so I was really excited to add this to my registry. And this is also a pretty great brand. I've seen wonderful reviews. I'm not 100% how to pronounce that, but Le Creuset, I think is how it's pronounced. So yeah, I'm super excited for this. All right, next box. Ooh. I've been wanting this. So we definitely need some more cookbooks for our collection, so I'm super excited to add this to our kitchen counter. And it's the Just Married cookbook. It's really pretty. And I'm super excited to check out all the recipes. All right, next box. It's a little heavy. Just gonna prop it up on the table here. We have a box inside of another box. Ugh. It's wrapped really pretty. Wow, it's so cute. I don't want to open it. I love pretty gift wrapping. So sweet. Oh. All right. Let's open this up. So this is a beautiful vase I've been eyeing for quite some time. It's from their new Coastal collection. So I think it'll be really pretty in our home. And it's super tall. Really pretty, I love it. It's very modern and different. All right, we have 3 more. Let's give this one a whirl. Ooh, we have another vase. this one is actually from CD2, their sister store. It's also super modern and really pretty. Very unique. So I think it will work really well in our home. Love it. All right, we got 2 more. Another heavy one. So this is, yes, a beverage tub. So great for hosting larger gatherings. Pretty. I like it. Oof. Last but not least, this is a workout. Ooh, we got another box in a box. Oh, and I'll also be sure to link my outfit today. This is what I wore to my shower. It's like my absolute favorite. I'm obsessed with this skirt. I believe it is sold out, but I'll link it anyways just in case you happen to find it and you want it. Ooh, another wine accessory that I'm super excited about. And I guess you could use it for beer as well. Sorry about that. I completely forgot you guys could not see me unless I was sitting down. So I'm going to show you the beverage chiller again. So you can chill wine bottles, beer cans, pretty much anything, which is really cool. And I feel like we will use this a lot, so I'm super excited about it. This will be a really nice accessory to have. I cannot wait to use it. While I was getting ready to set up the video, another package just arrived. So we have 1 more to open, and I will make sure to sit down while I open this. But yeah, basically I was trying to tell you guys about my outfit. So I will be linking this outfit for you as well. This is what I wore to my bridal shower. And it's by my favorite designer, Zimmermann. I'm obsessed with it. I'm already trying to think of where else I can wear it. It's just so pretty. The quality is amazing. The fit's amazing. And I just can't say enough about it. It's so cute. And so yeah, I have no idea what this is. Oh, okay. Another vase. So this vase actually goes with the first one I showed. Yeah, it's part of the same collection. And it's a really interesting shape. Very unique shape, which I love. Very modern. Oh wow, this is gorgeous. So I'm not sure if I want to put them together. They're actually slightly different. This one looks darker and the texture is a little bit more subtle. But really, really, really pretty piece. I don't have anything like this. So I'm really excited to use this. It's so pretty. So yeah, now we're officially done. And thank you for tuning in today. I had a lot of fun with you guys during this unboxing, and I'll be sure to share everything else that comes in when it comes in. So I look forward to seeing you next time. Have a good one. Bye.